got the champagne back here. We're not going to be drinking the real champagne though. It's ginger ale. Don't worry, we don't drink on the job. What's up everybody, Chris here from Boss Talk Productions. It's about 6 a.m. headed to the airport right now, flying out to the Bahamas this weekend. We're doing a boat shoot for Marine Video Production. It's a 124-foot boat, doing a charter video, so we're going to be staging some stuff, making everything look all nice. It's going to be a 2-day shoot, so just in case the weather's a little iffy, which it might be today, we're going to focus on interior stuff. Call them right now, and I'll see you guys in Nassau. We have just landed in beautiful Nassau. The weather is actually surprisingly good, so we might as well do exteriors and all that stuff today. Our flight got delayed, so I'm heading to the boat right now. Call the captain up. It's about 30 minutes away, so should be there shortly. After about an hour of waiting for this large looming cloud, it finally cleared up. We have some nice sunshine and great staging too. Alright, it's just about time for sunset drone shots, twilight setting shots. Got the champagne back here. We're not going to be drinking the real champagne though. It's ginger ale. Don't worry, we don't drink on the job. It's 6:30 a.m. on our second day of our shoot here. We've got the sunrise coming up behind me. Looking pretty clear so far. Some clouds on this side, but with the sun's rising, looks like it's going to be good. Wrapping up this shoot here in the Bahamas. The sun popped out for maybe a minute or two. Got all the angles that I needed that were missing. Rushing to the airport to get to those flights. See these cruise ships back here. So we're cruising in, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.